nós estamos aqui na Eagle Beach, onde nós acabamos de presenciar parte de training de uma pessoa que está viajando proximamente para Cartagena para participar da competência de Ironman. É uma nossa Ironman, uma competência internacional que está passando a diferentes caminhos do mundo, onde diferentes atletas estão participando, onde tem corebais, tem landa e tem corre, e tu estás aqui atrás de outro, em uma distância bastante larga. E de caso aqui, representando Dushi Aruba, nós vai ter nos bandeira representar aí na Cartagena, e nós também também para nos mostrar isso aí, pero promê que nós viaja para Cartagena, nós que mostrar um tiki de lo qual te passa promê para sobre a nota de ave para amanhã, bota lanta e bisa bota vai participar de Ironman, de preparação largo, e o motivo é nós está conversando ave com Diederik Kemmerling. Diederik, you have been living on the island of Aruba for 11 years, and up next you will be participating with the Aruba flag in Cartagena for Ironman. For the ones who know you, they did not think that you were going to ever do this. How did this come about?
Yeah, that's a good question. So around February, a friend of mine, he challenged me to do the Ironman. He's always participating in Ironmans. And he knows I'm more into the gym and not so much into cardio. And he literally told me like, yeah, you can't do this. And so that's why I took the challenge. And next week I'm on, so I have to go to Cartagena.
When the trainings started, tell us a little bit what went through your mind.
Well, it's pretty tough. So I got a trainer, and the trainer built up a schedule. I'm training basically now every 2 days. So it's pretty intense. In the beginning as well, I went a little bit too fast, and that in the beginning period I got overtrained as well. So basically my body didn't want to work out, to train anymore. I was super tired, and now since like a few weeks I'm back on track again. But I lost a lot of weight, my whole body changed. It's pretty tiring, but I think I'm ready for it.
Tell us a little bit about the race in Cartagena, Ironman, for the ones that have no idea what Ironman is. Tell us a little bit about the distances and which one goes first.
Yeah, of course. So there's different Ironmans. It's an international competition. The competition that the Ironman that I'm participating, it's 1.5 kilometer swimming, it's a 40 kilometer bike, and it's 10 kilometer running. I hope to do it within 3 hours. So 3 hours in the heat of Cartagena, 38 degrees, no wind. It's pretty challenging. Of course, I'm training here in Aruba for months, of course, to get used of the heat and to feel it. But it will be still again a very big challenge for me, because when I started this training, I was literally able to run until the end of the street. I couldn't swim really good. I was never able to do the burst crawl, so I had to learn everything from scratch. But yeah, I'm ready.
How do you combine it? Because you have a very busy schedule. How did you combine it in making this also part of your priority list?
Yeah, my wife is complaining. So yeah, I'm working of course the whole day, and I have a 3-year-old. So late at night, when the little one is in bed, I'm training here. So I'm starting around 8 p.m. Till late at night, around 11. Very often as well in the mornings, early mornings, wake up at 6, and then I train from 6 till 8.
We're about less than a week away from the race. I understand that right now you're in a phase where you're not really training a lot anymore. Explain us a little bit about this. What does this do to your body?
Yeah, of course. So what's happening basically is you start very small, and I have a trainer, Mario Noye, who created the whole schedule. And you build it up slowly but surely. The last couple of weeks the trainings were very intense, so like a lot of combinations between swimming, biking and then running, and that combination, because it makes you really strong, but that means 3 hours training. And now the last week I'm building it off, because my muscles, they have to recover to be ready for next week Sunday.
Así nata Aruba quedamos pendiente, para sobre 24 horas lo está viajando para Cartagena, Colombia, para así nos cubrir Ironman aquí, y naturalmente mostramos Diederik en acción. Así nata quedamos pendiente, para sobre 24 horas lo tem.